Today we're going to read I Spy by Diana Noonan, illustrations by Astrid Matijevic. Spies hide secret messages for other spies to find. Sometimes they hide these secret messages in strange places. This spy had a secret message inside his glass eye. This spy hid a secret message inside her wooden leg. This spy had his hair cut off. A secret message was written on his head. When his hair grew back, no one could see the message. If you were a spy, where would you hide a secret message? Here's where you could hide a secret message: inside a pen, under your watch, in your shoe, underneath your hat. You could cut up the secret message and hide each piece in a different place. Come to the boat tonight. You could ask a friend to hide half the secret message for you. Go to Joe's house. Spies can hide messages here: under a stone, in a keyhole, inside a library book, in an empty matchbox. Top secret. Sometimes spies use special pencils. They can hide maps inside these pencils. Spies have special radios. They can hide these radios in water bottles. Spies can change their face. They can look like this, or they can look like this. If you would like to be a spy, you could put on a hat and dark glasses, or you can put on a beard and paint your face. If you would like to be a spy, you could make your face fat or change your hair. But look out, another spy could be watching you. Secret messages. How can you send a secret message to your friends? You can send a message if you use a secret code. Here is a secret code. This code uses numbers for letters. You can put a number instead of the letters. A is 2, E is 3, I is 4, O is 5, U is 6. Here is a message. Can you read it? Look in the tree. A secret message does not have to be written on paper. You could write a secret message on the bottom of your shoe. Your friend can read the secret message on the bottom of your shoe. Come to my house tonight. Here is a secret message. This message is not told in words. This message is told in a secret code of coughs. One cough could tell your friend to meet you up in the tree. 2 coughs could tell your friend to meet you after school. You could send a secret message to your friends by sneezing. 1 sneeze could tell your friend to meet you at the store. 2 sneezes could tell your friend to meet you at the park. 3 sneezes could tell your friend that another spy is watching. Secret messages can be sent in many ways. Thanks for listening in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.